Day 2, we're pulling out carpet. It's gonna be really exciting. Just like that. Me cutting it.
Welcome, Jake Paulers, to Logan Paul's new video.
We must find shadow. That's gross. There's his treat.
Hi, Shadow. Hi, Bobby. Hi. Hi.
That's a wasp. I don't want to get sunlight on.
I highly recommend that you put something over your face because you're ripping up the carpet, but you don't have to.
Don't worry, we're fine. We're fine. I'm helping. Most of the carpet's gone, and there was a layer of foam underneath that we needed to take out. We got most of it out, and a bunch of it's just lying around. We got rolls. There's Shad, Vicky's Tissy, and a trash can. I don't. Oh, and then there's the bathroom flooring. This room's entirely empty. As you can see, it's incredibly echoey because there's no foam. This one's empty too, no foam. Very echoey. Yeah. One more. Then also in here, it is empty, very echoey. Oh, it's hot in here. Yo. Mom, say hi, vlog.
Hi.
First, we took on the world, streaming
And then, so, Mom has been turning up all the tiling for tile in the kitchen. Just that. We got Tissy there. We got another empty room. Some more. That. Then this is the only carpet left. It's a big lump in this room. But for the rest of the room, it's mainly empty. I emptied this room. And foam beneath it. Also, here's the bathroom. And this one's almost done, so there's a bit more tiling left. And then this one, I cleared this out. There's still a bit more foam because it was really sticky. But besides that, this room's entirely empty. Here we go outside. Tons of carpet and foam. Tons of carpet.
Hi, Jack. You don't like to go to the bathroom? Not as fun as carpet?
Here's my bed.
Mine too.
Just say hi, vlog.
Oh, hi. Hi.
Oh, that's where we are. Excuse you. Right now, Dad, the only one working is Mom and Dad. Mom's clearing out the bathroom and master bedroom. Dad's curling up all the foam to put back outside. Not back outside, just outside. And I'm not doing anything. I'm being really helpful right now. And just remember, kids, it is basically empty. It's just the annoying part of all those little pieces, getting them out of here and cleaned up. This room's empty too. Bathroom's empty. That's empty. The hair room's really empty. Nothing in here except a hammer. No more flooring, there's shadow.
If they don't take boxes, put them in the back of my car and take them to a dumpster in our car.
No more flooring. Nothing there.
Okay, let's go.
Nothing on the floor. Nothing. Just all the tiny pieces. And there's the tiles there. And then there's nothing secured up bathroom. There's nothing in there, nothing in there. It's all gone. And Chance is still as happy as can be.
Let me go.
Let's go.
All right, so lunch, get some more tools, come back. What?
Take the dogs home.
Take me home.
No, we need your help.
I'm dying. I can't breathe.
Wherever we get lunch, we gotta do it somewhere where you take the dogs.
So we just came back, got Chick-fil-A, and we got supplies to scrape all this up, and we just discovered that flooring is gonna be really expensive. So now we're just eating Chick-fil-A, waiting so we get to scrape all that up. Make fun. Yay. It was a sunny day that we would be almost finished. But most of the kitchen area is clean, because that's what I've been doing. This area is almost entirely clean, with no floor, except that area. But then this area, the area that he's been working on. What is your name? Can I give a shake? Can you give me a shake? Shake. Shake. Shake.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
It is the end of the day, and we're finished with work for today, at least. We've done a lot. It's been really hard. Did a lot of work. Shadow's annoying. So what I was doing is I was taking up a lot of those pieces of wood, all those, and something that was really annoying is over this way. If you will follow me, we don't have a choice. There was some wood planks on the bridges of that, so I had to go in there and get rid of those. So that was fun. And I also did this room for the wood. Got all those. And they were nailed down, so you had to use like a crowbar and a hammer, and you had to hammer it and then just unplug it, pluck it. But we're leaving. It's a good day's work for now. So we took out all the carpet. We took up all the tile. We dusted a bit. We removed all the padding beneath the carpet. And yeah, see you the next day or tomorrow. Bye.